Guys, I'm here trying to eat some street food. I don't know what are those. For me, it look like Indian bhajis.
Indian
But let me
bhajis.
ask the boy. Hello. What's your name? Deo. What?
Deo. Deo is his
Deo,
name.
can you help me? What are these things are? Please. What is this?
Alin ka masarap? Alin masarap? An- This is fish ball.
Fish ball.
Ano
This is
Kikiam.
Kikiam.
kikiam made of.
Wait. You ask first.
Squid ball.
Squid. This is from squid.
Okay.
Veggie ball.
Veggie.
Vegetable ball.
Vegetable. And this is quack. This is
Quail
egg. Quail egg. Quail egg, veggie, squid,
Kikiam.
kikiam,
Fish ball.
fish ball. This is fish. And ano kikiam?
Kikiam.
Hindi yan meat, ano? Oh,
Kikiam is,
I don't know. You have to taste. If you know, it's just press cook.
He's looking.
Tala. Ngayon, siguro first time may magtanong. Okay na, mo na. Yun lang naman ang hindi clear. So yan, ganito niluluto. Ito yung mga sauce.
pork, yeah?
Shama,
Because
this is the sauce. No pork here. This is all for health conscious. For
So
all
these are
health
the
conscious.
chili water,
Yeah,
water.
chili.
And coconut.
Not coconut.
Huh?
Vinegar, chili, and onion.
Onion.
Yes.
And this is sweet,
Sweet,
Spicy.
spicy.
spicy. This is like gravy.
And this as well.
Gravy.
Sweet.
Not this is sweet. This is
Okay.
spicy.
So let me. How much the fish bowl cost?
3 pieces, 2 pesos.
You better this because it just cooked. You try this. Yeah.
This one.
This
But how
one.
I can take?
Like
I
this.
Can take?
Yeah, you can take
Okay.
it.
Oh, that's self-service.
Like this.
How
Hindi,
much?
it's up to you. You titikma.
4 pieces for 5 pesos.
So Bimbo will help me. One,
Yeah.
two. My husband. He's my husband. So I'll try this kikiam first. Yeah.
No, you can how about mainit pa ba yan? Mainit lahat yan? Yeah, mainit. This one as this one if you want.
So you need
Huh?
different.
Different? No.
All in same.
Yes, it's to save the container. Why you have to
Okay.
this one, huh?
You want vegetable. One.
Just get it.
How much is this? I just want
You-
to know
you
the
just
price.
Don't worry.
So viewer will know the price.
Yeah, later we'll ask. Okay, you try to eat na.
Okay.
Anong sauce yan? Yeah, this is the sauce. Yeah. So because I'm not spicy.
I'll take from here.
No, this is he is offering. This is same. This is many years
Bimbo, you have
already.
to teach me on top of this.
I have no idea as well because this
top of
one.
this?
Yes.
Okay.
This is spicy pare? Spicy, yeah, spicy. Pero merong yung suka, hindi na, wala na, hindi mo na pwedeng i-mix.
Pwede po.
You can mix this. You can mix gravy and vinegar, yan,
Okay.
Yes. Alright. Okay.
I'll try vegetable bowl.
Try vegetable. Delicious. Yeah. Can I have this one? Ayan, so itatry natin ng kwek-kwek.
This is not quack.
This is kwek-kwek egg. Yan, tignan natin, masarap. Medyo malamig na lang, hindi na nainit.
Sa ilalim po na ako.
Sila. Okay.
I'll try this. What is that? Kikiam. Kikiam.
Kwek-kwek is
I'm
delicious.
curious about.
They just cook it. How is it? I told you.
Very delicious.
Very delicious. Yes. Can I have one?
Very nice.
Because kikiam is really delicious, guys. I don't know, hindi namin alam kung ano ba to, pork or chicken or beef.
He said I don't know. I'm
Yeah,
eating.
masarap nga. Because it's still hot.
Fish.
Yeah,
It is fish.
yeah,
It
fish.
is fish.
Fish, that's why it's called kikiam.
How about this?
Quail egg. Yeah, this is
I'm hesitant to try this.
this is your first time, yeah, quail
Yeah.
egg. Try it. Yeah. Nice. Delicious. What's this? Have you tried
Vegetable,
this? Vegetable?
yeah.
It's not. It's
Yeah.
delicious. Let's see.
Delicious.
Nice. Tikman natin.
This is more delicious.
I prepare kikiam. Kikiam is Yes, masarap din pala.
I want to try that fish ball.
Fishball, but it should be cooked.
No, they are taking.
They are taking already? Alright.
It is cooked already.
So you try fishball.
I'll get 4.
Nakakamiss. Pahingi pa nga kikiam. 4 na piraso. Nasarap ang kikiam. Nasarapan ako sa kikiam. Palagay na lang ng sauce parehas yung yan, gravy at saka ano.
Spicy po.
Yeah, spicy and then vinegar. Oh, nasarapan na si Madam Shama. So how you compare Indian street food to Filipino street food?
Different, completely different.
Completely different.
Of course,
Alin ang mas masarap? Which is very delicious?
That's difficult to
pesos
answer.
Hmm?
That's difficult to answer.
In India, can you find street food using with stick?
Yes.
Really? Using with stick?
Yes.
All right.
Kulfi they are selling.
How about street food using vinegar in India? No, yeah? The gravy, no as well. Okay. Here, let me see.
Among all this,
How is the fish? Have you fish ball?
fish ball is okay.
Mm,
But among all these, I prefer that long one.
kikiam.
Kikiam.
Yeah, that's why I ordered
Very
more
delicious.
kikiam.
Do you want to try this fish ball?
I know the taste of this. I prepare when it's fresh cook. Yeah.
Maybe that's the reason.
If it get cold, I don't want. And this one as well.
Look, kikiam is in demand. People
In
are-
demand, yes.
Yeah.
How much profit you get in one day? Is it confidential to answer?
It is confidential.
Confidential, but it's he earns good, yeah? Kumikita ka ng maayos na. Okay na rin. Ilang oras ka nagtatrabaho?
5 po.
5 hours lang. Oh, 5 hours only.
Ah,
He's working. This is just part-time. Every day 5 hours? May day off.
Monday to Friday.
Monday to Friday. Weekend.
Weekend off.
Weekend off
Yes.
for girlfriend. All right. Thank you.
So guys, among these street food, my favorite is best is kikiam. It's
Kikiam.
super delicious. I don't know how to explain the taste, but it's not too spicy. It's like a fish.
Yeah, he said it's from fish.
Yeah, but this sauce it give more flavor,
Flavor.
and it's nice when it is hot. Look, people are
So,
eating kikiam.
so why you don't try when it's?
I will.
Try
more.
try when it's try it without the sauce. Just
Without
try
sauce?
it. Yeah, it's just
Okay.
cooked. Come on.
Let me wait. There,
No.
there is only one.
You can get steak and get a new one. Steak, yeah, and get just one. Don't worry. You just try. Yeah. No, don't put it.
Like
Try it.
this.
Yeah, try it. How is the taste without the sauce?
You know, these look like our Indian chili bhajis, but it is not.
Badges, yeah, chili badges. How is the taste without vinegar
I
and
prefer with sauce.
vinegar with sauce?
Yeah.
Okay. So you enjoy? Yeah, me enjoy as well. Yan, kakainin ko pa to. So masarap. That's why Filipino street food are famous for foreigners
Yeah,
like you.
It's completely different in my life. What I experienced, this is first time I'm experiencing different street food.
And the weather now is cool, windy and warm, yeah?
That's
Cool.
what we miss in Philippines.
So hindi pa pala tapos si Madam Shama. So
I'm eating
I'm
more.
asking him how much we spend, but he said it's free. No, this is your business. Magkano nga pare? Para ano?
Thank you.
Bahala ka na, magkano? Magkano ba sa tingin mo naming
Because I don't calculate how much I eat.
and we are busy. Sorry to disturb you, yeah? I think
Ano po, libre ko na.
hindi po pwede. Negosyo 'yan eh. Sa
10
tingin
pesos na lang po.
10 pesos? Oh my God. Ang dami namin nakain. Oh, bahala ka na. Bahala ka na dyan. It's alright. This is all yours.
Thank
This
you.
is all yours. Alright?
Thank you. Masyado pong...
Hayaan mo na. It's okay. Because we eat so many and we don't calculate. Anyway, thank you very much. Yeah?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Delicious.
Delicious.
Thank you for watching Bipo Cornell Vlogs. Please like, share and subscribe. And please follow us on Facebook page, guys. Please follow us.
Thank you.
Bye.